Welcome to day 6. Now that you have seen for loops and ifs statement, today I will teach you while loops in Python. Day 5, day 6, while loop. While loops work same like for loops. It is used for repeating a line of code. Let me write first. While loop. While loop is to repeat a block of code till the condition is true. How syntax of while loops looks like, let me tell you. Here you can say while conditional statement do something. While conditional statement do something. Let me give you an example. Suppose if I will say that I is equal to 10, then I want to print the value from 10 to 1. If you can say while I is greater than equal to 0, greater than 0, we will print I, and it will print 10, and we will decrement the value. Let me see how. I not I minus minus, you have to write I minus equal 1. See, 10, 9, 8, 7, 6. That's how while loops work. So you can see that while loops sometimes can run unlimited number of times, and your computer will freeze. Like let me show you first. Okay, because if a condition is true and you are not setting that to false, then it will run for unlimited number of times. Like while true, then print I, or you can say print it will run unlimited number of times. Okay, let me print this. See, it will not stop, it will freeze my computer, so it's better to avoid it. I will stop kernel. To do that, you can say interrupt kernel here, and it will interrupt. So let me start my kernel first. It will freeze my computer. Yep, you can see that how many times it is print, because it is always true, so it is never going to stop unless my computer stops working. So that's how you should always consider this thing, so you don't put any condition like that, so it will run unlimited number of times. You should always avoid that. I will say you can use break statement for that. Like I will tell you, let's put here break, and it will print only one time. See, or if you want to print if you want to print from value to 0, you can either say while I greater than 0, or if you don't want this, then you can say while true print I. Okay, it will print I every time, and then you can say decrement the value of I Okay, and then I will say if I equal to 0, if I is 0, or sorry, if I is greater than 0, I can break the loop. Okay, what I equal to, oh sorry, I have put colon here. See, oh, I is greater than 0, 10 is greater than 0, condition for if I is less than 0. Okay, I want to print till 1, then I can say if I is less than 0 or equal to 0, and see how it works. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5. Hope you get the idea behind while loop. I will show you some more examples how you can use. You can use while loop to print the sum also. Like I will say, let's say I is equal to 100, or let's say I is equal to 0. This time we will increment the value. So I want to print, let's say I is equal to 1, because 0 doesn't mean anything. And if we adding the number, so I will say I is equal to 1. Okay, and I will say while I less than 100, less than equal to 100. Okay, we will here use some, let's put some here, because if I will declare some here, it will always update the value. So I have to declare here, let's say right now our sum is 0. Now we will increment the sum to I, sum plus I. Okay, then we will print sum, it will print the sum. What, why this code is not running? Here you can see that it is running unlimited number of times. Here I have created I is less than equal to 100, and I have not decremented the I value of I, so it is running unlimited number of times. That's why it is creating mess. So we have to restart the kernel, we have to check the code again. Okay, let's see how it works. Here I have to write a condition. I have to increment the value of I, so that condition can be false and it can go over error. Now if I will run again, it will work good. Okay, see, this is the total sum, 5050 from 1 to 100. You can also use while with else. I will show you how. While with else. Let me give an example. Suppose I will say let's say num is, let's say 10, and we will say while num is less than 10. Okay, not num is less than 10, num is greater than 5. While num is greater than 5, we will print str num number. Here we will take the value of num. Here the value of num is 10, so we will say 10 is less than 10 but greater than 5. Okay, now we will decrement the value of num minus equal 1, and we will put else code here. Else will run only one time, as you see in the if statement. It works same here, it will run only one time. So we will say print number is that's, we can say that's okay, that's here you have, I have to use this one, that's all the number between 5 and 10. Okay, see, 10 is less than 10 but greater than 5, 9 is less than 10 but greater than 5, 8 is less than 10, 9, 8, 7, 16, because it is 5. 5 is not between 5 and 10. 5 is greater than 5. If you want to print also 5, you can say number is less than equal to, and it will also print 5 here. See, 5 is less than 5. You can use a cricket idea. Suppose I will say that score is right now 0, and let's say while true we will print score is plus str score. Okay, we will print a score, and we will increment the score by every one. I will add 1 while score is less than 1800. Okay, so score is incrementing one way, so score is 1 2 3. Okay, that will done. But once the score is 100, we will print as okay you scored 100. Wow, see, that's how it works. Let me show. Score is 0, score is 1, score is 2, score is 94, 95, 96, 98. Okay, you scored 100. Wow, see, that's how you can use while loops with else. Okay, that's enough for while loop. Hope you understand that. We will see you in the next lecture.